mostly. Few cashews are there, I think. And other jungle
Okay,
just like
basically we have asked for
yes.
that report to be sent across, okay, about whatever offences have been booked for felling of the trees,
Yes.
where other permissions also may have been granted for actual felling, but then that data we will require to come in. Basically this committee is a fact-finding committee, and we will do our exercise and submit our report to the government within the specified period. At the moment, I have come here only to familiarize myself with the land, which appears to be where there is some sort of allegation, where there appears to be claims of tenancy, where tenancy have been done initially, where there are allegations that they have been cultivating the land, certain areas they have not cultivated the land, left fallow, and counter claims. But at this stage, what we have come here for is to familiarize ourselves and to assess the ground reality and help us to go deep into the issue wherein we can, which will assist us in coming to certain conclusions.
आमी पार्टिसिपेट जावंक ना हाचें कारण म्हटल्यार कित्याक आमच्या अंतस्कनाक दिसना की हे कायद्याशीर आसा म्हूण हे फॅक्ट फायंडींग कमिटी ही सगळी फॅक्ट फायंडींग कमिटी फक्त सरकारान केल्या फकत लिडींग हॉटेलाच्या आदारा पासत आनी जेन्ना लिडींग हॉटेलाक आमी पाटी केल्या की तूं जबाबदारी म्हणून आनी तोच सरकार आयज फॅक्ट फायंडींग कमिटी करता म्हूण हाचेर म्हाका तांची जाणवाय कांय सोजमना.